How's it going, everyone? It is Nikhil Macaulay back today with another Instagram video on this channel. Now today, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can grow your page by over 1,000 active targeted followers in less than 1 week. Now it's actually quite easy, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do it today. Now before I delve right into the strategy, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have a free 5-step checklist down below to increase your Instagram engagement on all of your posts. Now, jumping right in, guys, what you're going to want to do in order to gain over 1,000 active targeted followers per week is do some research in your niche. So say that you're in the fitness niche, for example, right? So you have about maybe 500 followers. What you're going to want to do is research other fitness influencers in your niche. So for example, right here, we're going to be using my buddy Max Wyatt. Now he has about 570,000 followers on his page. He kind of does fitness and modeling content. And what you're going to want to do here is actually go to his most recent picture, right? You want to scroll down, find his most recent picture. And what we are going to be doing is actually following and unfollowing all of the most recent engaged users on his post. So we'll actually click on the people who liked his most recent post. You're going to want to scroll down and just start following those people. Now, the reason that you're going to want to be doing this and following the most active and engaged users on Max's post is actually because these people are more likely to engage with your content as well. So what you're going to want to do, follow all those people, keep going down until Instagram blocks you. They probably will block you after about 50 to 150 follows. It kind of depends on how new or active your account is. So the older your account is, the more people you will be able to follow. And you can just kind of up this as time goes on. And what you're going to see is that a lot of these people will end up following you back if you're producing good content. So I would make sure that you have at least 5 or 10 photos on your feed before you start doing this, or else people will not really know who you are or why you're following them. But if they are following other fitness influencers, then they're most likely to follow you as well because you are in the fitness niche and you're trying to revolutionize the fitness game as well. So say you're in the entrepreneurship niche or the car niche, or pretty much any other niche. Say you're in the travel niche. Pretty much just go to the top influencers in your niche, in your industry, and follow all of the most active and engaged users on other people's posts because they are most likely going to be interested in your content as well. Now, I would only really do this up until you get to about 1,000, maybe even 5,000 followers, because this is somewhat spammy and you don't want to ruin kind of your reputation around that. I actually did use this strategy until I got up to about 1,000 followers. I'm currently over 100,000 followers right now. And that strategy really just isn't scalable and isn't really a great look in all honesty. But it does work. And that is why I wanted to share it with you guys today. Because it does help get your page off the ground. People really aren't going to be following your page if you don't have a lot of authority already in the niche. So by doing this follow unfollow strategy, as spammy as it sounds, it does help kind of get your page off the ground a bit and kind of out there in the community. Now, for the people that follow you back, I wouldn't unfollow them. And actually, I would try to build a rapport with them a little bit because these people are going to be engaging with your content. They're going to be commenting, liking, and then you can also do the same on those people's pages. So all in all, I feel like it is a win-win for everyone as long as you aren't unfollowing the people that actually follow you back, because a lot of these people will actually come after you and they won't really appreciate that. So I hope that strategy helped you guys out today. Make sure to go download your free guide down below, the 5-step checklist to blow up your Instagram engagement. It's super helpful, and it is for free. So why not, you know? But anyways, that wraps up today's video. Make sure to tune in later this week for another video on how to increase your comments on your videos, therefore boosting your page to the Explorer feed and really bringing in those active followers. It's going to be a great video. I hope you guys are ready, and thank you for watching. This is Nikhil Macaulay, and I'm out. Peace.